Okay, you see this one? We're kind of up on this trail, but we're gonna we're way up above on Macau, and we're gonna focus on this Macau Tower right here. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna get some zoom in closeness to it as well. So, okay, I'll also tell you about that reclaimed land in the middle too. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So okay, so I'll just kind of show you the context of where we are. We're kind of up on this hill, and let me just kind of go around a little bit. This camera is a little bit shaky compared to my other camera, but I can zoom in on this one. So we're way up above, up on these, up on this path that's quite high up. And we're just kind of looking at the bridge way over there. And I'm going to come up a little bit closer, and then we're going to zoom in with the camera. And I'll want to tell you about some other stuff around it here too. And I'm also going to show you a little bit of just like brief tower footage that I have on an unrelated one that I might share with you about as well. And straight ahead is all this reclaimed land. So let's kind of zoom in on the Macau Tower. This is the bungee jump off of here. So I'm going to put some footage later where they actually are bungee jumping. And if you do some searches for me, sometimes I've been underneath it and just kind of watch people as they jump. I don't see any now, but let's go a little bit closer with the zoom. So I think those are the areas that they would jump off of. So there's somebody up there right now. So since this is a zoom camera, like I don't have the stability. But yeah, they will jump off of there on the bungee. And I do have some footage of them kind of just bouncing and hanging sometimes. So yeah, that's Macau Tower, and this is kind of it from a distance. And you kind of zoom in a little bit like that, so you can kind of see. Just to give you some perspective, those are some of the casinos. Those are Macau's casinos, so that's I'll zoom in on those two. Grand Lisboa, that one right there. This one is Wynn Casino, and then MGM. MGM is the that one. See MGM there, and the Wynn is next to this one. Sometimes it takes a little time for it to, there you go, you can see wind a little bit there. So anyways, these are all around Macau Tower. It's the Bank of China right next to Grand Lisboa, the one on the left there, with the red thing up on top. And then you also have these three bridges over here too. So there's, this is the one bridge on one side, and this one is the, I forget the name of it, but it goes to the northern part of Taipa. Well, they all go to northern parts of Taipa. So this one goes to, it comes to this island that I'm on, and then it connects over to Bara on the Macau side. This one connects over to Grand Lisboa, like in this little casino area. And then this other one up here, that one, that goes to northern part of Macau, almost to the China border. And then from that one, you can take another bridge that goes all the way to Hong Kong, and that right over there behind this bridge is a another little man-made island that fits in all the facilities for getting back and forth to Hong Kong via this big bridge that's way in the distance over there, which I think we can't really see very well. You can see, there it is. So it's the one behind, underneath this bridge is the one that goes to Hong Kong. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit there. There you go. So the forefront one just goes between Macau and Taipa, but that one in the background goes all the way to Hong Kong. And I'm kind of catching up against the reflection right here. So I'm at a little elevator right now, so just to get a little perspective of where I'm at. So anyways, those bridges aren't really the focus as much as Macau Tower is. I'm going to throw a little bit of extra footage at the end of the Macau Tower, so hope you enjoy that as well, and then we'll end our video right here. So probably do another one talking about the reclaimed land, so stay tuned for that too.
polvidinha. Chiquinha, ah, chiquinha. Olha, na vida tu tem ser fim. Chiquinha, chiquinha. Toma cuidado na polvidinha. Chiquinha, ah, chiquinha. Olha, na vida tu tem ser fim. Já você na chaga desse país, se lembra uma volta na terra de gente e vê boa vida, ou lembra na dia de manhã para uma obediência onde ele te que até perdoar. Oh, oh, chiquinha, ah, chiquinha. Toma cuidado na polvidinha. Chiquinha, chiquinha. Olha, bom na vida tu tem ser fim. Chiquinha, chiquinha. Toma cuidado na polvidinha. Chiquinha, ah, chiquinha. Olha, na vida tu tem ser fim. Chiquinha, chiquinha. Toma cuidado na polvidinha. Chiquinha, ah, chiquinha. Olha, bom na vida tu tem ser fim. Chiquinha, chiquinha. Toma cuidado na polvidinha. Chiquinha, ah, chiquinha. Olha, bom na vida tu tem ser fim. A boa vontade despiou onde é que tu vai. A boa idade já nada te enganou. Olha como tu tá crendo que passa a saber. A monta de si, pois sabe morrer Canadá. Oh, oh, chiquinha, ah, chiquinha. Toma cuidado na polvidinha. Chiquinha, chiquinha. Olha, bom na vida tu tem ser fim. Chiquinha, ah, chiquinha. Toma cuidado na polvidinha. Chiquinha, chiquinha. Olha, bom na vida tu tem ser fim. Chiquinha, chiquinha. Toma cuidado na polvidinha. Chiquinha. Chiquinha, chiquinha. Toma cuidado na polvidinha. Chiquinha, ah, chiquinha. Olha, bom na vida tu tem ser fim. Olhamos na vida desse fim. Já você na chaga desse país se lembra, uma volta na terra de gente. Viver boa vida, ou lembrar na dia de manhã. Pra mobidiça, onde ele chegar que até perdoar. Oh, oh, Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado na boa vidinha. Chiquinha, Chiquinha, olha, mão na vida tu tem ser fim. Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado na boa vidinha. Chiquinha.